Welcome once again to Talk Jamaican. By now, I hope you have purchased your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com and you love this channel, so you subscribe and you share it with your friends and you like. Remember, I do a short commentary in Jamaican patois and then I tell you in English what I said. Well, not word for word, but I certainly give you an overview. So, have a wonderful day. You know, sometimes now me hear people say, you must eat insect, yes? Things like a wasp and grasshopper and them thing. Them fry them crisp and they say they're nice and they say they're nutritious. But me never used to pay them no mind, you know. But the other day, me no go for me walk and one dirty wasp bite me. And the same thing hot. And it lasts long, it a catch me, you know, and swell up. And I say, you know something? I true, you know, we should have really eat insect. For what purpose them same thing they serve on earth? All them know if you do is bite you. They mash up your farm. And they know how to use apart from that. You know, say, the other day I would pile of something named locust. Then talk about in the Bible, you know. Thing named locust. Now come down in Africa, down in Uganda and Kenya and mash up the whole of the people, them crap, yam them off. And guess what? Some people start eating them, you know, and they say they're nice. You know, so one time I did there Cambodia, that are in Asia. And I see them have the grasshopper power one long something like one needle. They fry it and crisp and lay out. And it look nice, you know. But true, me did just eat, my belly did full, so I never try it. But me I say, true, you know. Then most of them don't love shrimp. Shrimp are insect from the sea, you know. I said, oh no, go on. But you couldn't eat insect. Me I say it's well nutritious. But anyway, after the week, the old was going to bite me the other day. I said to myself, look how the cow and the goat and the hog, they're no trouble nobody, you know, they look so harmless. Every time I see one goat, I want to pat him the way him look quiet and nice. And the cow is the same thing. But you know something? Lord master, when me not see them, you know, me not think about that, you know, because the jerk pork, it just catch me in the right part of my belly. And the mannish water and the curry good, Lord, they're so nice. Me no remember the poor little animal when me eat it. But sometimes when me see them, my conscience bother me. Me too old now for change for me that, you know. But if you're not young, you should really stop it. Them something they kind of nice, you know. Them have feelings like a way. But me not think no dirty insect have feeling. Because if them had feeling, they wouldn't come bite with so. So nyam them and stop nyam the poor little cow. Me not practice when me preach to her. I just saw it go. I was just contemplating whether it is not the proper thing to do to eat insects, because a lot of people have been promoting it over the years. They say it is nutritious. Insects are nutritious, have lots of proteins. And I never really thought about it much. But this morning when I went for my regular walk, I was bitten by a wasp, or stung by a wasp. And it hurt a lot and I was angry and I said, you know, maybe we should really start to eat those insects, because insects don't really do any good to this world. Look at all those locusts that invaded Uganda and other parts of Africa the other day and ate down the crops the people had planted. And the people are eating them. And I was in Cambodia not so long ago and I saw they had grasshoppers on long needles. And they look crisp and nice, and I hear they tasted good, but unfortunately I had just eaten dinner, so I did not try it. But I really think that, you know, we should contemplate getting rid of some of these harmful insects out of the world, because they really are not serving any useful purpose. On the other hand, you know, I often feel quite guilty when I eat beef, jerk pork, curry goat, mannish water. Yes, because I don't feel guilty at the time that I'm eating it or drinking it. But when I see the poor goat out on the road, or the poor cow, or the poor pig, I often pat these animals, you know, because they look so nice and peaceful. And I do have pangs of guilt for eating their family. So really, I don't feel that way about insects, but I feel that way about peaceful animals. But unfortunately, I'm too old and stuck in my ways now to change my diet. But you young people should really consider not eating cows and goats and pigs and lambs and all those animals, but should instead eat the wicked, pesky insects, because they really serve no purpose on this world. I am not going to practice what I preach though, sorry.
Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really late, but it's not my fault. When we nearly reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come to a halt. Well, liquor ram goes down by the roundabout, but just as if that could not suffice, I better run to the bus and start to shout. You should have dead make we buy a pound of rice. Ram goat liver, good for neck, manish water. Billy goat teeth, make the earring for your daughter. Curry good lunch, put the bite in your back. It make your daughter